and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're taking the Teletubbies for a ride on the big green monster truck. It's remote control. But remember kids, these are just toys. Don't ever ride in the back of a truck. It's not safe. Oh dear. The truck has flipped over. Let's make sure Tinky, Winky, and Po are okay. Good thing they're just toys. They look just fine. Let's flip the truck back over onto its tires. Okay, the Teletubbies are securely on. Puppy needs fresh air and exercise too, so he's outside with us, enjoying this cold weather. Remote control toys are great for kids. It helps with their fine motor skills, and it gets them outside. See how many knobs and buttons Tiny Treasures Mini has to push and turn? Okay guys, it's time for Lala and Dipsy to have a turn. It started snowing, so I hope the tape will still stick our toys onto the back. Okay, we're ready to go. Oh dear. Oh, poor Lala. And Dipsy too. Both of them fell off. The tape wasn't sticky enough. Sorry, Teletubbies, your ride is over for today. Poor Dipsy got snow in his eye. Well, we're still having fun with the truck and puppy, so we'll stay outside for a little longer. Oopsie! Oh dear. The truck is going down the hill. I hope it doesn't flip. Oh, and it stopped. Puppy's quite concerned. It's okay, Puppy. We'll go grab the truck. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.